So friend, I collect the garbage outside. I will swap and dust today. I don't mop for all rooms. Here I will dust, mop and swap the balcony. Not deep cleaning but fast cleaning like dusting, swapping and mopping. Today I will dye my hair, but the light color is not work for me. I need bleach. First of all, I will use this Garnier one. Then I use this light color, but not work for me. The red color still I don't use it. So I need bleach. Then I will use the red color. Half bottom half of my roots. Okay. So then now is car washing time. Automatic wash صح؟ Good morning friends. So now we are going to Dubai Diabetes Center. I have an appointment. Now it's 11 o'clock. My appointment is 11:30 a.m. So yeah. Good afternoon. Good morning. Still good morning. How are you?
Good.
Today also my husband in Shnasha or Kandura or ruotine, traditional cloth. Say good morning.
Good morning. All YouTubers, all friends, all good mind, all fans. We're going to the appointment. One clinic here. Dubai.
So what? So what?
Huh?
So what?
See you later.
So see you later. هلا حبايبي، صباح النور والسرور الحين رايحين عندي موعد في مستشفى أو عيادة دبي للسكري. الموعد الساعة 11:30، الحين الساعة 11:15 تقريبا. وبس صباح النور والسرور. شو أخبارك؟
بخير الحمد لله.
ومثل ما شايفين اليوم بعد زوجي لابس كندورة، قليل يلبس كندورة دائما على بدل، ما أدري ليش، بس اليوم لابس هذا الكندورة. وبس أجواء حارة في الإمارات الحين الساعة 11. بس أشوفكم بعدين. So in hospital they remove, add and change my medication. Good afternoon friends. So we have our breakfast, then we go to wash our car, and now we are going to my parents' house, to Dibal Fujairah, from Dubai to Dibal Fujairah. Okay, and the weather is very hot because afternoon here in Dubai. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
How are you?
Good.
Very good.
Good.
Your vacation started, huh?
Inshallah.
From first. The vacation started. Maybe we are going somewhere, and I am excited for that. Finger crossed. And yeah. How are you?
Good.
Very good. Tired?
Yes.
So what?
See you later.
So see you later. So we found this beehive in my parents' house, and I like to shoot it. Very, very exciting that day. Good evening, friends. So now we are going to Ras Al Khaimah to fully body massage, and I am excited. I like that because I need that. I have body pain, and yeah. Good evening.
Good evening. Hi.
How are you?
Good.
So where we are going now?
Spa.
Yes.
To do some massage.
We need
Treatment.
it. Yes.
And they will come back. We'll see what we can do in Dubai. Yes.
So what? So what?
See you later.
So see you later. هلا حبايبي، مساء النور والسرور علينا وعليكم. الحين احنا رايحين راس الخيمة، بنسوي ان شاء الله مساج للجسم كامل. صراحة احتاج لهذا المساج، جسمي كله يعورني، والانسان دائما يعني كل كم شهر يحتاج لمساج استرخاء ويبعد عنه التوتر والتعب، تعب الدوام، تعب البيت، تعب الوجع، كل اوجاع الجسم يحتاج الانسان لمساج عادي، ما هو عيب او شيء. هذا زوجي اللي يسوق اليوم وانا جالسة هنا. مساءك انا ومسائي انت.
صح صح. مستعد.
ليش؟ بس بشوفكم ان شاء الله بعدين. اكيد داخل ما اقدر اصور، بس يمكن اصور لكم المكان اذا قدرت، او بلتقي فيكم بعد ما نطلع. اوكي. हेलो दोस्तों, अब हम लोग रास अल खैमा को जा रहे हैं मसाज करने के लिए. पूरी बड़ी दर्द हो रही, मसाज के लिए जाना ज़रूरी है. और बहुत अच्छा मालिश करते और मसाज करते उधर जिस्म के लिए, बॉडी के लिए. और बस ये है हमारे हस्बैंड, आज गाड़ी चला रहे, मसरूफ़ है गाड़ी चलाने में. और ये हमें अंदर तो नहीं कर सकते, शूट नहीं कर सकते. अगर करी तो भी जगह की और कैसा है उधर करती हूँ. अगर नहीं कर सकी तो निकलने के बाद मिलेंगे. Good evening friends. So today our dinner from النعمان restaurant here in Dibel Fujairah. My husband ordered shawarma Arabi box. They have meat and chicken. The box came with sauce here and french fries, some pickles, and the shawarma itself. So we will eat, then we will see you later. And I ordered from same restaurant, النعمان restaurant here in Dibel Fujairah. I ordered pasta with mixed sauce. Yummy. Good morning friends. So today is next day, and today we are going home to Dubai after breakfast. And now almost 6:30 a.m. morning. The weather is beautiful here now. Nowadays the weather is very good here in Dubai, not very hot. Good. Okay. So yeah, and wake up early make me feel that healthy and very happy. I like to wake up very early in the morning, and if you wake up early in the morning, I request you to drink too much of water first of all, okay? Almost 500 milli bottle, okay? One bottle you drink immediately in the morning before breakfast, yeah. So that's good for health. And try to make 15 minutes exercise, walk in your place or do anything, exercise, light exercise, not very heavy, 15 minutes early in the morning, okay? And yeah, try to wake up early in the morning and pray this time and enjoy morning time. Very beautiful, and you will feel relaxed, you know, and very nice. So see you later. Good evening, friends. So now is 6:13 p.m. and we are going back to Dubai. Maybe we go to Ras Al Khaimah to buy something from there. Then from there we will go to Dubai, to our home. So yeah. Good evening.
Good evening.
How are you? Good?
Good.
Yes. So
Good evening, all YouTubers, all friends, all fans, all good mind. We going out of our area, Dibba, Al Fujairah,
yes.
going to Ras Al Khaimah city,
Yes.
and we'll buy something there.
Yes.
We'll go back to Dubai, our home city. So we driving normal, and we hope so to reach on time.
Yes, and tomorrow duty.
Yes, because tomorrow there is a duty.
Yes.
We have to catch up the time,
Yes.
and we will see what will happen later on.
Yes. Inshallah we have vacation.
Inshallah.
Inshallah. Surprise for you, my YouTuber.
Inshallah.
We will go somewhere as a vacation to spend a lovely time together. And yeah. So
See you later.
see you later.